Turn my headphones up. Louder.
This is Milo, my precious kitty, and he's actually really big. He doesn't look that big in this video, but he's purring right now. He is like 18 pounds. Yeah, he's really big. You can like see like the comparison with my foot and his body. He's like ginormous. Especially when he lays down, his stomach like spreads out everywhere. Alright, so this little guy is Billy Jr. and he's a beta fish. He is about, let's see, like 6 months old. And his dad, Billy Sr., lived like to be a year and a half, and unfortunately he passed away because I let somebody watch him and they did a really bad job of it. So that's Billy.
Yeah. What you need? What you need?
Oh. Gremlin, come here. Yeah, she like, it's so cute when she eats food. Like really wants it. Yeah, she just stores it in her little cheeks. Look at that. See, it's sticking out. She can eat a lot too. She just like saves them for when she goes back in her cage. And then like buries them underneath all of her bedding. Come here. Look, she wants to like go right in the bag. Look at her, she's storing it all in one side. She isn't even like alternating. It's really impressive actually. But sometimes if she like really wants it, she'll check this out. She just like pulls it away. She's so smart. Look at her. Yeah. So check out the difference. That's one side, and that's the other side of her cheek.
I got what you need.